Welcome to the next video of the course. So in this video we will start building our first app, and the app will be a quiz game, and for this reason I'm logged in at quickapninja.com with our Google account we created in the past videos. And to get started to build a new app, you have to click on the button create a new game on the top of the website, and wait a second, and now you can select the type of the game. We will create a guess the picture game, so I select it. You can also create a 4Pixel word game or a tiles game. Just try it out. It is very easy to create, but we will make a guess the picture game because it's the easiest one, and you can make money with very less work than if you create a 4Pixel word game, for example. So I select guess the picture and click on the next button. And just wait a second for initializing and loading screen, loading content, and that's it. Our game has been loaded, and now we can see many different categories we can change. For example, there is the design. We can change the content, sounds, icon settings, and monetization. In this video we will change the design of our app. In the future videos, for example, we will create the content, or in the next chapter of this video course we will do the monetization. So let's get started and change the design. You can select a theme. When you select your themes, you can select a theme, then everything will change, and it is not much work. But if you think that a theme is good, but some aspects are in a color you don't like, or you want to change something special, you can select a theme. For example, I select theme 3, and now I want to change the green color to a red color. I just click on this button, and then you can see that you can change it on the right side. For example, let's take a red color. Okay, and if you click here on related, then the button will get darker if you click it. So this is the color if you don't click the button, and later if the user has this app on his smartphone, and if he clicks it, this color will be shown. So you can, for example, make it black. Then when the user clicks on the button button will turn black. Moreover, you can change the text color by clicking on this and make it green, for example. So as you can see, you can change all the details here in your app. Let's get further and see the other pages. The gameplay page is where you can see an image and type in the answer. The complete page is the page which will open after typing in the right answer. The hints page is are some things you can do with where you can spend your money on, and the money is the other coins you will get after typing in the right answer. So if you type the right answer on the gameplay page, you will get a special amount of money and can spend it for some hints. The get coins page is a page which you can use to get some make some coins later if you're playing this game. For example, you get a reward if you tweet the game, and so on. The menu is a page where you can share the app or turn the sounds on and off, and the rate us page is something that links you to the Google Play page, and you can leave your opinion. Good. For us it is interesting to change the splash screen. Maybe the splash screen is the screen which will start if you open up the app, and you can pick a texture here. I like this one, so I let it be this, and you can take a color, for example a light red, or you can upload your game or company logo. So you click on upload and go to a folder in which there are some of your or a few logos. For example, I've got this logo on my apps. Just wait for uploading, and there it is. If I take a white background in a solid color, it will just look like it's my app. So this sign is because of it is made by Quick App Ninja. You can remove this sign for paying, but I will show you this feature later. So downloading is a page which will appear if the player has done all the levels and download new ones, or if you make an update, and the levels page is where you can select a level you have already completed. So well, that was the design page. I hope you understood everything. If something was unclear, just write me an email or write me at Udemy, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.